And good morning mga ka-traders. Additional update for Hamster. Alright, there's an additional banned players, 2.3 million cheaters. And meron silang nabawi na 6.8 billion tokens. And according po sa Hamster, yung 50% nito ipapamahagi doon sa mga honest players. And yung another 50% is masusunod na lang for mawawala na. Kaya let us wait kung paano nila i-distribute tong 3.4 billion sa mga honest players. And we don't know kung ito yung one way nila para mapawi yung ating mga galit, mapawi yung mga nadismaya sa kanilang token distribution. And guys, 2 days na lang at airdrop na malalaman na natin kung ano yung magiging price ni Hamster. And no worry, maglalabas po ako ng technical analysis ko for Hamster Combat. Thank you and see